Welcome to part 3 of our tutorial on how to create a product using the Elite Technique system. In this final part, we'll walk you through the last few steps to fully set up your product. Specifically, we'll cover how to create variants for your product if you haven't already, and we'll dive into the remaining tabs: sales, purchase, inventory, and fence type. By the end of this video, your product will be fully configured and ready to go. Let's get started. So first off, we're going to begin with the Variants tab. Now, we want to create variants for our product in order for them to tie into our drawing tool. And so we have the ability to add and have available all the variants for the product that we're creating at any given time. In this case, we're creating a vinyl line post. So you can create almost any attribute you can think of in order to distinguish this vinyl line post that we're creating. This is, for example, the length, the width, the height, the color, the design, etc. So I'm going to begin by creating an attribute. Let's start with the length. So we select length, and then here we list the options that we have available. Okay. Next off, we can select maybe the color. So here you can start by scratch, or you can use any of the options that are available. Now, we use design when we're giving this to a vendor for a purchase, so they know what type of fence this post will be drilled for. So we have many options available. That have been previously created, or you can just create your own. Next is the Sales tab. The information under the Sales tab should be automatically set in your system, and you shouldn't have to make any changes at all. Next, we have our Purchase tab. This is where we can select any vendor that we have previously created. We will know how much we pay that vendor, and so that we know where we purchase our materials from. Next off is the Inventory tab. Here you can assign the party responsible to manage our inventory system. And if you want to add items like weight, volume, and lead time, you can do so here. We can also build route diagrams if we have multiple stages of purchasing and multiple warehouses to diagram our inventory route from. Next is Fence type. This is probably the most important tab in the whole system. This is where you teach the product about what it is and how it should behave according to our fence calculation rules when you're going to use it in our drawing tool. If the product is the panel, the wire, or the actual main product category, we select that as a main product. But if it is a category product of the main product, we just select the correct category, so we can then select the type of post that we're working with. In this case, we're working with vinyl, and it's a vinyl line post. So last but not least, we have the option of uploading an image to further distinguish our newly created product. Just click on this little pencil that you see here, choose the image that you want, and now, when we are satisfied with all the other fields, we hit save, and now we have created a new product using the Elite Technique system. Thank you for your time.